Welcome to this travel video with sights in Rome. Our first stop is the Spanish Steps, or Scala Nota Trinita dei Monti. The Spanish Steps are a famous staircase in Rome, Italy, connecting the Piazza Spagna at the base to the Trinita dei Monti church at the top. Constructed between 1723 and 1725, they were designed by Italian architects Francesco Sanctis and Alessandro Specchi. The steps were funded by a donation from French diplomat Etienne Geffier, hence the connection to the Trinita dei Monti, which was under French patronage. The Spanish Steps were named after the Spanish embassy to the Holy See, located in the Piazza Spagna. Over the centuries, they have been a popular spot for both locals and tourists, symbolizing the historic and cultural intersection of Roman and French influences. The area around the steps is known for its vibrant atmosphere, featuring high-end shops, cafes, and significant landmarks like the Barcaccia fountain at the base, designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini and his father Pietro Bernini. The Spanish Steps have undergone various restorations, the most recent being in 2016. Today, they remain an iconic architectural and cultural landmark in Rome.